If you're trying to fry egg, you might be able to use this. Don't use this, obviously, but you might be able to. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, even some fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Okay kitties, so today we're doing a quick video. I really wanted to review the new Billie Eilish Body Oil. Okay, I recently picked it up and I thought the girls may want to know about this one. Okay, it is fall time. The Billie Eilish fragrance is a great fall, daytime, nighttime, just a really great warm cozy scent. And I happen to have the dupe of that, which is Nebraska by Lattafa. So let's get right into the review. Now this retails for $40. This retails for $40. And this is the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging. It's pretty sleek, it's understated. I just think packaging like this, it just gives expensive. The more simple it is, it just starts to look more expensive to me. So I love when it's not doing too much. So this is the bottle, and we give her an A+ on that. Okay, it does have a nice pump. As you can see, I use it, I got some here. So it does have a really nice pump. And in this bottle, you are getting a 3.4 fluid ounce or 100 ml. So I think it's a good amount of product for $40. Alright, so let's talk about what this smells like. If you don't actually know, I'll read you the exact scent notes of this fragrance. Well, it's not a fragrance oil, it's a body oil. Okay, two different things. A perfume oil and a body oil, two different things. Perfume oil is much more concentrated. A body oil is scented like, you know, the perfume, but not actually a perfume oil, so it doesn't have the same longevity and intensity, or the, you know, just the concentration of the actual fragrance in this. So as far as the fragrance notes go, the Billie Eilish Body Oil has top note of sugar petals, mandarin, warm berries. There's mid notes of creamy vanilla, soft spices, and cacao. And there's a base of sleek woods, arm musk, and tonka bean. So this is so perfect for fall. It's warm, it's cozy. Does it smell like the actual perfume? Now, like I said, I have the dupe, which is Nebraska by Lattafa. I've also smelled the actual Billie Eilish fragrance, and I would say the perfume oil does smell like it, especially when you first, you know, pump some out into your hand and you smell it, or you even open the top and you smell it. It smells pretty spot on. Now, when you actually rub it into your skin, what it does is a little different. So I don't know if it's my body chemistry, but when I rub it into my skin, it still smells really good, but then it starts smelling oily, like oil. I don't know if it just smells like oil, like cooking oil or jojoba oil, which is a really great oil for the skin. It's moisturizing, it makes you feel really soft, but it smells like a higher concentration of just the oil versus the actual scent. And I think that sucks, honestly. That part of it was disappointing. Now, I don't know if it's just me, okay, but once I rub it in, it just starts smelling like cooking oil. So it doesn't smell terrible. However, I would love for the scent that's in the bottle to sort of remain that scent once I actually moisturize it, or moisturize my skin with it, or sort of work it into my skin. So that's a little teeny off-putting for me, where I smell cooking oil. Okay, it feels really great on the skin. It's not the most silkiest oil. Like, I have a body oil that is by Palmer's, the Tahitian Vanilla, that cost me, how much was that? Was it $10? I don't know. I'll pop it up on the screen somewhere. I don't know if it's $10, but it's not very expensive. But that oil smells so much more expensive than this, and the fragrance is so much better, and it projects better than this. So And the oil itself is more silky, it's more smooth, you just feel really velvety soft, and you can work it into the skin much easier in this than this. So this takes, to me, it takes a little bit more elbow grease for me to work it into my skin. It doesn't necessarily glide the way the Palmer's one does, but it's still a really great oil. But I did take note of that because I have cheaper body oils that are not $40 that work a little bit better. This, to me, it smells good, but I don't think it's something that you necessarily need to run out and buy, especially because the scent does not perform the same as, of course, the actual perfume. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried it, but if you have, let me know in the comments. Do you smell like cooking oil when you put it on? This is the type of oil where I feel like I have to put the perfume on top of it to layer it. We always put body oils on and we layer it with perfume because we want to, and it heightens the fragrance. With this, I kind of feel like I have to put the fragrance over it. And when I put the fragrance over the oil, it smells so good. It has something to sort of stick to, which is the great thing about it. But it doesn't make the scent, it doesn't heighten the actual fragrance, you know, which is what you would think, especially if you have a body oil that matches the actual perfume. What it does do is it helps the longevity of the perfume. It does not necessarily heighten the smell, which is, I feel like that was my main objective because I have the Nebraska and it lasts long anyways. I don't necessarily need an extra step to make it last longer because it already does that. However, I'll take the extra step if it's going to make the fragrance project even more. It's going to make the sillage even better, you know, that type of thing. This doesn't really, you know, it just doesn't feel like something you need to have. So just to show you what the texture is like, here is on the skin. Okay, and when you rub it in, see, there's cooking oil or something. What is in here? It smells just like I'm smelling like maybe golden jojoba. If you know what golden jojoba smells like, or some sort of jojoba oil, that's literally what I'm getting. See, once I work it into the skin, I don't smell a lot of the scent that it's supposed to be. I smell like I don't know, like a nutty oil scent, but my skin looks great. Okay, and when I layer it with the perfume, when I layer it with Nebraska, baby, it smells good. It also smells good with the Nebraska elixir. I'm gonna do an updated video on, I did a first impressions on this one. Now I want to do an updated video on it because I'm letting mine sort of macerate a bit because it did need that, because it is a very soft scent and I wanted it to mature and just get better. But just so you know, they both smell really good with the oil. But it's not because of the oil. It's because the fragrance actually smells good. The oil really isn't doing nothing to improve it, you know? So on a scale of 1 to 10 in the body oil lane, I would give this a 6.5. It smells good in the bottle. However, when I rub it into my skin and massage it into my skin, what comes after is, I fear it's cooking oil. I fear it's cooking oil. And because of the price point, that makes it more disappointing because it's $40. $40 is as much as I paid. I think I paid less than that for the actual perfume dupe. You know what I'm saying? What I love about it the most is the fact that it does really moisturize the skin, and I love the packaging. When this oil runs out, I might pour other oil into it. I might make my own damn oil and scent it myself just to, you know, keep this packaging, because I really do like the packaging, but the scent, it's okay. It's not all that though. So I'd say you don't need to run out and buy this. You need to run out and buy the Palmer's Tahitian vanilla oil. Pop that somewhere on the screen. That you can run out and get the body butter to match, and you're still going to pay less than the cost of this that smells kind of like cooking oil. If you're trying to fry eggs, you might be able to use this. Don't use this, obviously, but you might be able to. Now, when you put the perfume, I'm happy again. But if I wanted to just like put on the body oil before bed and just have that nice cozy scent close to the skin, I wouldn't like that because I would smell like a, you know, like a frying pan. This has gotten so much sweeter. There's so much mixed reviews. The video is not about this, but this perfume has so much mixed reviews, and mine is just getting better. I love the way this smells. Anyway, I'm going to update you guys on this. I'm letting it macerate. She's not a part of the video, but she is a part of the video because I use it, or I layer this on top of the Billie Eilish Body Oil because that oil needs something on top of it. Because if not, you're gonna just smell like I told you before. Yeah. So that was a super quick review, but I wanted to make sure that I get this review out because I know some of the girls were wondering about this, and I'm here to tell you, you don't need it. Now, if it goes on sale and it's like $15.99 or $20, I would say that's not so bad. But for the $40 price point, it's not worth it. Not to me, okay? But I'm still gonna get my use out. I'm not gonna bring it back because, like I said, I like the oil itself. I like the packaging, you know, and it does have a nice texture to it. The texture isn't the best oil I've tried, but it's still a nice oil. And I don't have time for the whole bringing it back. Okay, I think I can keep this. Okay, I can keep this, but I can't really sit here and tell you, girl, you need to go get it because I feel like you can pass. You don't need this. You can definitely pass. All right, Kitty, so that is the end of the video. Pretty quick, pretty sweet, to the point. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down in the comments. And if you have tried this body oil, I'm curious to see what you think about it. Because it could be just my body. I don't know, maybe my body smells like cooking oil, girl. I don't know, but, which I doubt. I actually really doubt that. But let me know what your thoughts are if you've tried it. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to hype this video. Be sure to come back and watch another video. Bye, y'all, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. And bye, y'all.